I'm checking out my Dewalt DW7670. This is their Dado blade with the 4-wing chippers, and while I probably want to sit and tell you all about the case and the cool little features of how it's packed, you're probably thinking, just show me how it cuts. So let's get right into it. We'll show you how it cuts grooves and dados in hardwood. So 4-wing chippers, carbide tip teeth of course. We'll load up a 3/4 inch stack and see how it does. 24 teeth on the outer blades. Now on the groove, running with the grain, everything was nice and flat. Edge quality is excellent, and that's really not that hard to see. Even some of the basic dado blades do that well. But what they'll do is they'll chip out on the end where they exit the cut. And this looks really good with that, running with the grain. I didn't notice any exit chip out. Cut quality was excellent. As far as the cross-grain dado here, that was also very flat and smooth. You can notice where the groove and the dado intersect here. There are just the faintest ridges there. That's because the tips of the teeth on the outer blade are just slightly taller than the chippers, and that's by design so you can get good quality cuts in plywood. So as far as the exit of the cut with these 4-wing chippers, that's where you'll really see an improvement above and beyond the entry-level sets. I'm talking, you take a piece of sandpaper, you hit it like this, and it's perfect. You also get a 3/32 and a 1/16 inch chipper. Everything's nicely labeled, and that's good if you're doing setups for undersized plywood. I know I said I wasn't going to bore you about the case, but this one in particular is really good at storing the blades safely. You got these plastic wing nuts to secure everything. So you can just stagger the chippers so the teeth don't come into contact and secure that stack in the lid. Some basic steel shims round out the package. Okay, I'll admit it, I like the case. I really like the case. So if you're looking to upgrade from a really basic dado set, like maybe one with 2-wing chippers that tends to blow out the exit of the cut, this Dewalt 7670, I think it really hits a sweet spot, and it would be worth a look for your next dado blade.